1 of EDU 622. This week you're going to read an article titled Knowing and Teaching Elementary Mathematics. I think it's missing an S there. But anyway, it's from American Educator. I think the link is in Canvas. You're going to look at that article and you're also going to read Matthew chapter 6 verses 25 through 34. You will also view your lectures online. So review the course module for this course, look over it. I have it open right now, but you'll need to look over it. You'll find it on the home page. It'll look something like this. Here we are on the home page under resources, and this is the course module for this course. So be sure that you look at it. You're going to access the online library and become familiar with navigating it because you will need to look up some of these articles. You will also want to view the lectures and complete the unit quiz. So for week 1, if you notice here, you have the lectures here. These are PowerPoints, I believe, and then you actually have the online video lectures here. Okay, so look over those, listen to the lectures online, be sure you read this article right here as well as Matthew 6. Then your quiz will be made available to you and you can take the quiz. It's worth 30 points. And then of course you have a Unit 1 writing assignment and 2 discussion board posts. Plus I'd also like for you to introduce yourself to your classmates. Okay, and so that's what you have for week 1. We'll highlight those here. Your discussion question number 1, answer these questions. How will the shifts in thinking about math instruction impact the teaching of math? And even if you're not a math teacher, these shifts will impact your teaching, or should. What plans do you have to change the way it's always been done so that you increase or meet the increased demands? Okay, and then for question number 2, what are some steps you need to take all year in order to prepare your students to be successful with the new assessments? For your writing assignment this week, you're going to read 2 articles, one that supports Common Core State Standards and one that opposes the Common Core State Standards. And by the way, we still have them, but they're called the College and Career Readiness Standards here in Mississippi. You're going to write an argumentative essay in which you argue for one position or the other, but do remember to follow APA guidelines. Cite your sources as well, and then include your references at the end. And we'll look at the Appendix B for the rubric for that. And then they'll just kind of let you know that the final project's coming up and what it should look like. I'll talk about it a little bit more, but look at it, know that it's coming, read over it so that we can tackle it soon. Okay? And of course this course is set up for half math and half reading, so your final project for the math will come about halfway through the course. Here is your rubric for discussions. Do remember to post by 11:59 Wednesday night, your initial post, 250 to 300 words, and then respond to a classmate by Saturday night at 11:59, and that should be 100 words or more. Okay? Be sure you cite sources to back up your comments anytime it's content related. Here's your Appendix B and what should be in it. So here's our argumentative essay rubric. We're going to look at the focus instruction and structure, the introduction, the evidence that supports that, the conclusion, and this is a good bit of the content and discussion here. The conclusion, the APA formatting is important as well as the mechanics, okay? And so that's what you have due this week. If you have questions, please feel free to email me either through Canvas or straight email, or you can contact me by phone. So anytime you need me, let's see, my information will be under announcements. This is just a reminder. Let's see, under course introduction, here's my information. Here is my email address, nlcarter@belhaven.edu. My phone office is 968-8762. My cell is 801-5563. Do note that I have a North Mississippi zip, not zip, but a 662 area code. And again, if you have questions, just ask me. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I appreciate it, and I look forward to getting to know all of you. Welcome again to EDU 622.